Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. I have no idea what it's going to turn out to be, but I'm going to try and do a wardrobe declutter. I have been shopping quite a lot since the shop's open. It's currently the 24th, I think, of April. So I've been shopping quite a lot since they've been open, and I kind of just want to go through my wardrobe, work out what I'm wearing still, working out what I'm still comfortable in. As I said in my last charity shop and kind of Matalan haul, I'm trying to be a lot more good with what I buy. I want to buy things that are comfortable, I want to buy things that make me happy and stop bothering about what other people think. So on that note, I'm going to declutter some of my clothes that aren't very comfortable, aren't things that really me anymore, and just want to have a little go through and see what I've brought and what I need to wear. I've got quite a lot of clothes I've brought sort of over lockdown or more recently that I know I've got, that I forget I've got, and that I want to wear for parties and things like that. So I'm going to kind of just get my clothes out, work out what things I've got coming up, not too much, but kind of work out what I'm going to wear, and kind of just have some outfit planning and just wardrobe decluttering fun. I'm going to drag my mum up to help me with this, so she may be in some of the clips. But yes, I'm going to try on some stuff, go through, just have a mooch around, and kind of shop my own wardrobe. So if you'd like to see my cluttered wardrobe, then just keep watching. So I thought I'd kind of give you a bit of an overview first about how I store my clothes. So I'm going to show you kind of my cupboard of doom, which I need to organise. So just ignore the mess, but you know, we've got to do it. We've got to do it for the YouTube. So this is kind of my built-in cupboard, which has kind of been taken over by my beauty stuff. So at the top I've got bags, which I have kind of squished up there, and they're kind of my most used bags. I then got my shoes, I've got kind of dressing gowns and things like that there. I've also got a rail in here that's got my scarves hanging on it. I've got my jeans kind of stuffed at the bottom, and then my chest of drawers. This gives me so much anxiety and stress and makes me unhappy because I hate mess. So this is like I definitely want to sort out, but don't think I'm going to sort out in this video. I think this is going to be a future whole video of organising this. But I've got these two are both trousers. That's kind of swimwear and socks at the bottom. Obviously I've got jeans, and then other stuff maybe it will be a later date. I've got underwear and things in there. And then I've got this big kind of, well, I say big, it's not very big, but double wardrobe. And in here I've just got all of my clothes. So this is dresses, tops, etc. And skirts. So there's quite a lot in here. It's very full. As you can see, it's not very organised, and I get stressed when I come in here. And I know I've got some really nice pieces I haven't worn. I thought actually what I might do, which I might not do today, but I might declutter today and then kind of sort out. I used to have an app on my phone, which I don't actually know what it was called, but you basically uploaded pictures of all of your clothes you owned, so tops, and you could organise it into tops, dresses, skirts, whatever. It was really organised, and then it was just such a good way that if you've got something coming up and you kind of want to look at what outfits you can make, you can go on there, all your clothes in one place. It means you don't forget what clothes you've got, and it's a great way to kind of organise stuff. I don't know about you guys, but I have to have everything organised. My phone, I have lists and lists and lists. My camera died, but as I was saying, yes, so you can kind of organise your clothes. And it's just a great way, so I can flick through my clothes on there. So I'm probably going to do that as well at some point, probably not in today's video. I'm going to just organise today, and then I'll probably do all the photos another day. But I really like doing that. I like to have things on my phone. I like to scroll if I've got a free hour or whatever, and I've got some events coming up. I like to be able to scroll on my phone, plan my outfits, kind of shop my own wardrobe that way. And I like to do it virtually rather than kind of getting everything out of my wardrobe, making a mess. So yes, I'm going to do that, but that'll be in another day because I can't handle that today as well. Okay, so far we have this pile, which is all stuff I need to try on. We've got that pile, which is stuff to sell, and that pile, stuff to alter. And I've also got a pile of work stuff, so things I'll exclusively wear for work. I want to keep them out because I'm potentially just going to put them in a little box, so I can just kind of pull out a box of what I'm going to wear in the morning. And I'll show you what I've done so far, what sections I've done. So that whole section is all good stuff I'm going to keep. Quite a lot of it actually I've not worn, or only worn once or twice sort of during lockdown, so that's good. I've still got that whole section to go, so I'm going to try on some bits. I'll show you some edited highlights of what I'm trying on. But as I say, this is all the bits I'm trying on. It's actually quite a lot of bits. I've also got some bits that I need to wash, which is just down there. So yes, we're kind of going well so far. This one's a no, because as Mum pointed out, the seam here that's meant to be under your boobs is sitting on my boobs, so that's a no. Okay, so I've tried on quite a few. We've got... Okay, I thought it was going more successful than it is. We've got 3 dresses that fit still, out of the ones I've tried on. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think, that I'm going to get rid of. I'm going to sell these, so if anyone likes to look at any of these, and look at my Depop. Yeah, so now I'm on to skirts. I've only got a couple of skirts, I think most of them fit. But I said that about the dresses, so we will see. I just wanted to drop in here and be like, if you don't fit into your clothes that you fit into years ago, or you fit into last year, or even if you fit into last month, then literally don't let it get you down, because it's so much easier said than done. But your size isn't anything to do with your worth at all, and also your body's changed. It's been a crazy couple of years, and your body's always going to change, and it's getting ready for the next stage in life, and your body just, you know, don't worry. If you don't fit into them clothes, they don't fit anymore, that's fine. They can fit someone else, and they can be something that someone else loves. So just remember that, and recycle your clothes, either charity shops, Depop, whatever. Make sure you recycle them and not chuck them away. And there was the interlude. Let's go back to laughing at me not being able to fit in clothes. We're back to the camera quality, which may not actually be so good now because it's getting darker, but I will show you what I've done. I've done everything. I stopped time-lapsing because I thought it might get a bit boring. Sneak peek of all the stuff that doesn't fit. But as you can see now, the wardrobe is a lot more organised. I've actually got room at the end as well, which is really good. I've realised mainly what I own is tight jumper tops from Primark, but that's fine. That's what I like. That's what fits me nice. That's what flatters my body shape, so I'm quite happy with that. I tried on everything that I needed to, and I'll show you the pile of stuff which is to go on Depop tomorrow. I'm going to do it probably, I might do it tonight. I might take the photos tonight and do it tomorrow. So as you can see, it's a lot of stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm now going to fold that up and get that ready to take pictures of. I might even put it on all on hangers tonight so I can get pictures of it easier. But I will, if you want to see how I sell things on Depop, check out my video. I will link it somewhere. It's on my account. It's just how to sell on Depop. I've sold quite a lot of stuff on there, and I think I do quite a good job on it. So if you'd like to see that, then just look down at my videos because it's on there. Right, so I've tried on a lot of stuff and a lot of it didn't fit, and it's really easy to get really disheartened, and as you can see it's such a massive stash. A lot of the stuff I really love. Quite luckily, a lot of the stuff I have worn and worn a lot and got a lot of wear out of. Unfortunately, there is quite a lot of stuff that I haven't worn. Let me put you down so I'm not so shaky. A lot of the stuff I actually haven't worn a lot, which makes me really sad because I don't like buying clothes and not wearing it. But obviously I'm going to sell it. It's still going to get another life. People are going to be able to use it. It's not going to waste. Anything that's not good enough to put on Depop and sell, I'm putting in a charity shop bag. So that's really good. So my charity shops can get lots of little bits. Mainly just little Primark vest tops and things like that that don't really sell on Depop and wouldn't be worth my while selling. But are still in like okay condition. A lot of the stuff I'm getting rid of are just either things I bought that didn't necessarily flatter me and didn't return in time. Things that are too small. None of it was too big, unfortunately, but that's fine. And yeah, I think a lot of the stuff I kind of debated on and I kept. Things that showed my tummy a little bit. We all have a tummy. Such a small percentage of the world probably has a flat stomach, and that is fine and good for them. And also, a lot of the flat stomachs you see are on Instagram and probably not what they look like 99% of the time. So when trying on stuff, and if you're trying on loads of clothes and not much is fitting, like, it's fine. We all have been there. And also your body shape changes all the time, and also it just leaves room for more new clothes. Me and my mum are going to a boot sale tomorrow, so don't know how much if I'll buy anything, but if I do, I'll definitely do a haul. I'm going to put, yeah, as I say, I'm going to put all that stuff on Depop tomorrow. And then I'm debating on doing a part 2 and putting it all like on an organised thing on my phone. But who knows, potentially that'll come. If not, I'll update you guys on Instagram, so make sure you follow me on there, just at AimyLawrenceX, and I post a lot of stuff on there when I'm available. I've been super busy with work, so apologies for the kind of weird upload schedule. It's normally Monday, Wednesday and Sunday, and I normally skip that. I think I've missed 2 videos in like my year of basically doing it now, so that's good. But I'm going to end the video here. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up. I know it was a bit of a crazy video. I'm not quite sure how much footage I got or if it's even going to come together. But I really hope you enjoyed it. And make sure you subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!